looking at.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Before we officially begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Seti, your global coffee master from Starbucks SMC Tinaga. And today, it is my joy to welcome you into one of the most beautiful seasons of the year, spring. But first, I want you to do something with me. Okay? Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out. So now, imagine the air a little warmer, the sun staying a little longer, and the flowers quietly stretching towards the light. That feeling, that's spring. What I like about spring is that it isn't just a season, it's a promise. A promise that in every quiet, cold winter, busy holiday season, something beautiful still grows. As we welcome spring, we are not just celebrating the weather, we are celebrating the growth, renewal, and possibility. In many coffee growing regions around the world, spring is when the field starts to bloom again. A white coffee flower opening like little stars against deep green leaves. Behind that beauty are women. As we celebrating the Women's Month, the International Women's Month, let's honor the women behind this crop whose knowledge and leadership shape the growing from seed to cup. Women who rise before the sun, women who walk through mountain farms with skilled hands, selecting the ripest cherries. In countries like Colombia, Ethiopia, and Guatemala, women are not just like farmers. They are leaders, coffee graders, um, roasters, and entrepreneurs. Yeah, they pass down techniques from generation to the next, preserving the heritage while uplifting their communities. Their craft is patient. Their contribution is sustainability. Their impact is empowerment. Women in this field are also leaders in cooperative system, financial management, and quality control. They many are trained in cupping and post-harvest processing method, such as we have washing, drying, and fermentation that directly influence to the acidity, aroma, and body in the final cup. Also, sustainability is directly influenced with directly connected with their expertise. So women in this field often prioritize the long-term health land, the biodiversity, and also the community stability by by applying the sustainability farmer practices. And through that, um, while they protect the future harvest, they protect the future harvest while strengthening the local economies and then the family livelihoods. So now, with all that being said, women in this field are everywhere. Women in this field are not just women. Dominating by men, the men farmers, women are a lot. So now, let's move on to the highlight of this activity. Okay. Today, we'll be exploring the one of the Starbucks seasonal coffee, which is the Starbucks Spring Blend. So yeah. So spring coffees are usually crafted um, to create the or to be one of the symbol as the freshest of the season. So this coffee is known for its um, bright acidity, and then the balance with something balanced with cocoa. So now this is perfectly blend for something refreshing. So now here in Starbucks, we have the way or romanticizing the coffee. Okay, so it's just like coffee tasting is like a wine tasting. Instead of just drinking coffee, we focus in aroma, acidity, body, and flavor. So first, let's smell it by smelling the coffee. So now let's grab your cup. Okay. So put down your palm, cover it like 70%, and then take a deep smell. What did you get? How about you, Counts? Chocolate. Yeah, correct. So with this spring blend, we get the sweet like the fruit floral sweet like sweetness, and you can also notice the floral notes, right? So next, let's slurp. So like by slurping, so it's a bit funny, but you have to slurp it so that you can spray the coffee in your palate. So this is to experience the full coffee, the full flavor of the coffee. So the louder the better. Notice the bright acidity of this coffee. How about you, Miss Sha? Yeah. Actually, this spring blend is crafted with a smooth and balanced finish. So let's take another slurp. Very balanced coffee, right? Do you agree? How about you po, Tita? It's very welcoming, right? Yes po, it's a medium roast. So to elevate the experience of this coffee, I prepared here red velvet for with red velvet with a fruity nutty flavor, and then our very own sakura donut that one of the seasonal featured food as well, together with the spring coffee. So you can enjoy and then take one, ma'am. So in Starbucks we can bite. You can do which one? Very bright lang siya, right? Oh, yeah, very smooth. No po, actually it's an outside the neighbor. Yeah. So yes po. Yes po, you can ano to. Let's try it with Sakura donut. You can bite and slurp po. I think you can pair it with strawberry po. Yes po, I agree po. If you would like to ask another one, yes po. So while savoring the coffee, I would like to share the that this spring blend has a four distinctive coffee that shape this harmonious blend. It has a wash Papua New Guinea for its herbal complexity, and the second one is the wet hull Java for its earthy crisp um, and spice. And then the third one is the naturally processed Brazilian coffee for its floral fruity sweetness. And then lastly, the washed Latin American coffee for its bright acidity. So yeah. So another factor that, and also to share that Starbucks Foundation Origin Grant in Brazil, they cooperated with the water organization and helped and provided with 20,000 uh, um, water sources in Brazil Yeah. So they help the sanitation and the livelihood of the people there. So yeah. So with the coffee in my hand, I'm reminded that growth doesn't have to be loud. It can be it can be steady, intentional, and patience. Just like flowers that blooms in its perfect timing. So with the coffee and woman, we have the strength to rise too. So rise, rise gently, bloom loudly. So cheers. Thank you so much for joining for this quick coffee tasting, everyone. And happy International Women's Day, ladies. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. So yeah, you can enjoy po the coffee. Very ano lang siya, parang very soft lang. Alam niyo po, very calm coffee.